So here, for a concave lens of focal length f, the relation between the object and image distance from its pole can be represented by what? So if it is a lens, we know 1 by f, which is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Over here we are drawing a graph between v and u, so we can rewrite this formula. So if you rewrite this formula, what we will get? Here we will get 1 by f, which is equal to u minus v by uv. Upon your v, that is, we can rewrite uv, which is equal to fu minus fv. Upon we can take the v in common. If you bring it left, what we will get? So v u plus f, which is equal to fu. Upon v is nothing but fu divided by u plus f. So here u is in x-axis, v in y-axis. Upon y, which is equal to f into u is x-axis, x divided by your x plus f is a constant. So here if you see, this is what we are getting. So if you draw a graph for this, there is a concave lens. There is a concave lens. So here maximum possible distance, if the object is in infinity, your image is formed on the pole, okay, which is a virtual image. If you reduce the object distance, your image will be here somewhere else. So your image, so here you see, this is the object and your image is this. Here if you see, if it is in infinity, your object will be in focus exactly here. If you decrease the object distance, your image will be here. At any point of time, you see the image distance is always lesser than the object distance, okay. Only at this point of time it is very closer. At any point of time, your u cannot be lesser than your v. So the point is, in theoretical perspective, if you see this, always your u is greater than v. So I can say always u is greater than v. But here you have a reference line for u is equal to v. First point is, your v cannot be greater than u. So this is not possible. Here you can see u is greater than your v is greater than your u. And then second case is, if the object distance tends to infinity, your image distance tends to be your focal length. Am I right? Apo your maximum image distance is what? Your focal length. So maximum, if you keep on increasing u, it will keep on try to achieve focal length. So this is what correct is. This curve is also correct, this curve is also correct, but the only reason is your u cannot be lesser than your v. Because of this is the correct answer, not this. And other graphs given and all, this shape will not be correct. And here also same thing, same explanation which I gave you here.